comes here. Brethren of Tayabas Lodge number 43, you now behold before you Brother Clifford Ray de Paz Durwin, who has been elected to serve as master and is now about to be installed.
And will faithfully perform
To the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability
all the duties of the office
all the duties of the
to
office
which I have been elected.
on which I have been elected.
It is my great honor and privileges to welcome each and every one of you this momentous joint celebration of Tayabas number 43 Charter Day and 32nd Institution Anniversary of Mount Banahaw number 29 Order of Business Staff.
Actually, it was a great honor to be part of this organization that has been long-rooted before. Hindi ko naman din pinapangarap na malalagay din ako na makakaupo ko sa East, especially this day, na ito yung pinaka-big day para sa akin.
Who comes here?
Brother Lieutenant General Cirilo C. Palauro Jr., Commander, Southern Luzon Command, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and our guest of honor and the speaker desires admission.
Gawin lang natin kung ano yung dapat nating gawin bilang mason. I promise to do all the duties of my office.
The square, my brother, is an emblem of morality, and I solemnly charge that you will take good care that its luster will not be diminished through any act of yours.
The brethren may consider themselves free from restraint until the sound of the gavel on the east.
108 na taon ang ating kapatiran dito sa Tayabas. Isang patunay ng matibay na pundasyon, tunay na pagkakaisa, at walang sawang paglilingkod hindi lamang sa ating mga kapatid na mga mason, kundi sa ating kapaligiran.
I find deep connection between the ideals of a military profession and Freemasonry. Both institutions place great emphasis in moral courage, character, and leadership founded on example.
Well, my advice to the brethren, let us continue on what we are doing in Masonry para sa kanyang pagpapalago sa tunay na samahan ng kapatiran.
Good luck sa ating tatlo as well as doon sa mga other elected officers and appointed officers. So, sama-sama tayong magtulungan at itaas ang Tayabas Lodge number 43.
Mga kababayan, mga kapatid, pagmasdan, ang watawat na naladlad sa inyong harapan ay siyang watawat ng ating bansa, ang Pilipinas. Ito'y siyang sagisag ng pambansang kalayaan na nagsasalarawan ng lahat ng kaakit-akit at dinadakila sa buhay ng Pilipino.
Live in the moment. Life is the fullest when you keep chasing down.
First of all, pasalamat po ako na ang okasyon po na ito ay naumpisa na po natin dito sa ating distrito. At pinagpapasalamat ko din po ang lahat ng brethren na tumulong. I will not mention any of their names, but in the bottom of my heart, I really thank you na natuloy itong okasyon na ito.
Feel so alive.
Worshipful Master, it now remains for me to present to you the emblem of power.
Can take on the world when you're next to me. I feel so alive. I feel so alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome with a round of applause to our distinguished guest of our speaker, Brother Lieutenant General Cirilo Calbalaoro Jr., Philippine Army.
Today, I stand before you with gratitude and pride as we gather on this momentous occasion, the public installation of the elected and appointed officers of Tayabas Masonic Lodge number 43.
I feel so alive.
By the power in me vested as the District Deputy Grand Master of MDR Masonic District R4 Quezon and Marinduque, I now declare this 108 installation ceremonies of Tayabas Masonic Lodge number 43, elected and appointed officers for the ensuing Masonic year, duly closed. Unify our fraternity and position Philippine Freemasonry for growth for another 113 years and beyond.